Behind every retail store lies a blind spot, quiet loading docks, closed gates, and hours of darkness. For one company, this blind spot had become a magnet for trouble. Human guards weren't feasible. Cameras caught the mess after it happened. No real deterrent, no real response. Until the company deployed our AI-powered security unit. In minutes, the zone went from vulnerable to virtually untouchable. Small diamond human detection alerts, instant notification when people entered the area. Small diamond vehicle detection alerts, tracked every unauthorized vehicle movement. Small diamond response panel, sirens blared, LEDs flashed a clear warning. One night, a trespasser was caught. The unit triggered an alarm and messaged the monitoring center. A remote guard spoke directly to the individual. This area is monitored. Leave now. They did, immediately. Illegal dumping? Gone. Trespassing? Near zero. The AI platform became a 24/7 digital sentry, replacing the need for human guards, at a fraction of the cost. Peace of mind, asset protection, operational savings, all in one plug-and-play AI solution. Because security shouldn't sleep, and neither does this platform. This isn't the future, it's already guarding your competitors. Deploy it now, before your blind spot becomes your next crisis.